did yesterday. Yesterday was perfect. Let's be like yesterday. Okay. So good morning, students. We are going to start today's lecture, and this is what we are learning. Something that you can see on the screen. Types of reaction. Okay. So what exactly do we mean by that? We are going to learn 4 types of reaction: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction. उसके बाद हम एंडोथर्मिक और एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेस पढ़ेंगे, और उसके बाद टाइम रहे तो we will learn rate of equation. This is only if we have time. Okay, these are the things that we are learning. ये सारी चीज आप लोगों के लिए नया है, so I need your complete presence here. Okay, we are going to go one by one. The first one that we are going to learn here is combination reactions. Combination reactions are when 2 or more reactants combine in a reaction to form a single product. It is called combination reaction. I will repeat one more time. When 2 or more reactants combine in a reaction to form a single product. Who can tell me what is this? What is the meaning of this in Hindi? हिंदी में कैसा समझ में आ गया आप लोगों को?
Which thing, sir?
I will ask you to raise your hand. हिंदी में इसका मीनिंग क्या है? Reading, if you have understood. Okay, no one is raising their hands, so I am assuming no one knows. किसी को नहीं समझ में आ गया? Okay, I think then I myself will say. When 2 or more reactants, उसका मतलब 2 और 2 के ऊपर reactants. Reactants will be in the left side or right side? Sujauddin.
Left side.
Left side. That was said by Manish. I was asking to Sujauddin, but yes, reactants will be in the left side. When there are 2 or more, 2 और 2 के other ज़्यादा reactants है, and वो एक साथ होके is forming a single product. Single product का मतलब one product. That is called combination reaction. Okay. Now, look into the example now. NH3 plus HCl gives NH4Cl. This is the question. NH3 plus HCl gives NH4Cl. NH3 is called ammonia. HCl is called hydrogen chloride. And NH4Cl is called ammonium chloride. Okay. 2 और 2 के ऊपर reactants एक साथ reaction करके एक नया single product बन गया. Okay. I will be opening the chat, and you can put your answers in the chat box. First question: what is the number of reactants in each of the above reaction? What is the number of reactants do you see here? You can put it in the chat box. I will ask Adnan to answer. Adnan, can you tell me the answer? कितना reactants है?
2.
2. Okay. Everyone is writing the answer 2 in the chat box also. Correct answer. What is the number of molecules of reacting taking part? That is a good question. What is the number of molecules of reactants? कितना number of molecules are is taking part in the reaction? Anyone can? Imran has raised his hand. Imran, tell me.
6.
6. You are saying from NH3, N1, H3, H1Cl, ऐसा?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many? Let me see the chat box. What you're saying? Okay.
Or otherwise it will be 3.
Yes. 1 second, Imran. Let me just check. Okay. A lot of you are saying 6. Rohit has told 2. Rohit, do you want to explain why you said 2? 2 क्यों बोला? हाँ?
सर क्योंकि HCl एक मॉलिक्यूल है और अमोनियम NH3 एक मॉलिक्यूल है, इसकी वजह से. और
ये जो 6 आंसर बहुत सारे लोग दिया, उसका क्वेश्चन क्या होगा? What will be the question for
सर वो एटम्स होंगे, एटम्स, टोटल एटम्स.
total atoms? Exactly. Because guys, molecule. The question is molecule, correct? This is a molecule. Molecule is combination of atom. So this is one molecule. This is one molecule. So दो molecules है. Now a lot of you said 6. 6 is the number of atoms of the reactant. इधर एक molecule NH3 अमोनिया में एक molecule में 1 N atom और 3 H atom है. तो एक अमोनिया molecule में 4 atoms है. इधर एक HCl में 2 atoms है. समझ में आ गया? That is how it comes. Is that part clear? The difference between molecule and atom. If it's clear, give me a thumbs up. Okay. Imran, is that clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the number of molecules will be 2. If the question was what is the number of atoms of reactants, then your answer will be correct of 6. Okay. Now, how many products are formed in the reaction? Is it 1 or 2? Chat box mein Saloni have given me the answer 1. Sachin has given me 1. Prachi has given me 1. And yes, it will be 1 because it is a combination reaction. So, simple thing, combination reactions. Two or more reactants will react to form one product. That is combination reactions. Okay. Am I being stuck? Okay. Guys, 1 second. Sorry, my internet is a bit slow today, so that is why the pause and all. Okay. What we are going to do next is we are going to see few experiments. Okay. कुछ experiments देखेंगे अभी. First experiment that we are going to see will be ammonia plus hydrogen chloride gives ammonium chloride. This is the first reaction that we are going to see. What we are going to do for that is I'm going to lock the chat box. Okay. We are going to see a reaction. Ammonia reacts with hydrogen chloride. Sorry, internet is being very slow. 1 second. Okay, cannot minimize also. Let me just try to share it one more time. Let's see क्या हो रहा है अभी. Okay. Being patient with me. थोड़ा time लगेगा, but we will see it.
Sir, your network is slow.
Yes, my network is slow. It is sad. I don't know why it is this slow. Okay, don't उसके ऊपर मत करो यार. Thank you. Okay, it is, guys, I think it's being very slow. It's not even opening, so what I will do is I will share the experiment in the group. मैं सारा experiment का videos उसका group में भेज देगा क्योंकि it's taking too much time. Okay, what I will do is I will show you how it looks like. Okay, 1 second, let me try one more time if this comes. If it comes, okay, आ गया. Guys, it is come, so let's see. Let me see if this works. Okay, I'm not even trying. मैं try भी नहीं कर रहा अभी क्योंकि it clearly is not working. So I am going to just move on. I'm sorry. I will show you the later.
मुझे को-होस्ट बना लो, मैं शेयर करता हूँ.
Okay, we will see the video later. और कोई टाइम पे देखेगा. Okay. Thank you for being patient with me. 1 minute. Let me just go to the next slide. Everything is getting slow now. Okay. So this is the reaction. NH3 plus HCl gives NH4Cl. If we had seen the video, this is what you would have seen. एक HCl vapor के ऊपर you will be taking HCl in a test tube. NH3 gas will be kept in a glass rod. वो test tube के ऊपर एक glass rod में NH3 ammonia रखेगा. And what will happen is NH4Cl will be formed. That is, which is a gas. लेकिन room temperature में वो condense होके it will be a white colored. You will be seeing a very white smoke. एक white smoke देखेगा. तो आपका actual अगर वो video देख सकते हैं तो it would have been a white smoke. Okay.
Sir,
I wish I could show you the video, but it is being very slow, so I'm not showing the video. Yes, Imran.
sir, send us link from your mobile and we can see over here only.
Yes, I understand. So what I'm thinking is, Abhi, since time is lost, after today's class in the group, I will be sending all the links saying this is this example for हर एक reaction का videos में भेज देगा, ठीक है? So you can see at your own time. Reactions आपको देख सकता है. I will be connecting all the links. So thank you, Imran, for the suggestion. Okay. Second example that we have is 2 MgO plus O2 gives 2 MgO. Okay. Is this a combination reaction? Yes, correct. There are 2 or more reactants and 1 product is formed. Let us do the questions one more time. You can put on the chat box. First question answer would be, what is the number of reactants in each of in this reaction? Answer will be 2.
एल्बर्ट सर 2 कैसे है?
there is Mg and there is O2. प्लस के दोनों साइड में 2 है ना, तो 2 रिएक्टेंट्स है. इधर एक ही प्रोडक्ट है, सिर्फ एक प्रोडक्ट है. So that is the best way to find out if it's a combination reaction. Now, second question is, what is the number of molecules? I would like to see your answers in the chat box for this. Number of molecules कितना है? Okay, I'm seeing the chat box. Okay, 7 chats. Okay, Rupesh F messaged me 3. Sujaudin is saying 2, 2, 2. Are you all saying the answer for a second question? Okay. Okay. How many of you are saying 2? Can you give me a thumbs up? That would be easier. If you're saying 2, you give me a thumbs up. Ritik has given me a thumbs up. Sujaudin, Sachin Jaiswal has given me a thumbs up. Shafiqur has given me a thumbs up. Mohit gave me a thumbs up. So, how many of you are, okay, Shahid has given me a thumbs up. How many of you are saying 1? 1 molecule of reactant. Okay, Mehzabin, Seema, Manish, and I guess rest of you are saying 3. Okay, how many Mg is there? 2 Mg is there. How many O2 is there? 1 O2 is there. So 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. I'll repeat it one more time. 2 Mg is there. Mg के लेफ्ट में का नंबर देखो 2. O2 का लेफ्ट का नंबर कुछ भी नहीं है, उसका मतलब there is 1 there. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Those students who gave me answer as 2 and 1, do you have any doubt at this point? You can ask me. अभी डाउट है तो पूछ सकता है, कैसा 3 आए and not 2 or 1. Okay, I am assuming there is no questions. So that is it. Number of reactants is 2, number of molecules will be 3. How many products are formed? Only one product is formed, right? Only one product is formed, but how many molecules of product are formed? 2 molecules of products are formed. So it is very important to look at the question. Number of molecules पूछ रहे तो ये number count करके लिखना है. Third question में number of how many products पूछा है, कितना products पूछा है. So then you will be saying 1. At the same time, if the question was what is the number of how many molecules of product is formed, the answer will be 2. Okay, now there is one more example for we to look. इसका भी reaction में group में भेजेगा. This is the second one. This is the last example that we are going to look into. Calcium oxide plus water gives at calcium hydroxide plus heat. CaO plus H2O gives CaOH2 plus heat. First question is simple. Number of reactants will be 2. What is the number of molecules of reactants? Second question का आंसर आप लोग चैट बॉक्स में लिखो. First question is 2. Second question would be Sulaiman, I saw your question. Okay, I will answer that. Okay, CaO plus H2O, इसमें कितना molecules है? CaO plus H2O में कितना molecules है? How many of you are saying the answer is 2? You can give me a thumbs up. 2 आंसर बोलते हैं तो thumbs up दे सकते हैं. Sujaudin, Manish, Ayan, Rohit, Seema, Imran. I would like to get some answer from Praveen, Vishal. Okay, a lot of you are saying thumbs up. Mohit, what do you think?
Left video only.
It will be 2. Okay, 1 CaO plus 1 H2O. In this example, it was 2 Mg plus 1 O2. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 1, answer will be 2. How many products are formed? 1 product is formed plus heat. Heat भी आता है लेकिन heat is not a product as such, na. What is the thing that is formed? That is CaOH2. So 1 product is formed. So it is called a combination reaction. So what we did today was we learned combination reaction. वो क्या है पता है, 3 example देखा है ना. वो experiment कैसा देखता है, I will share the video with you. I wanted to show the video but my internet is very slow, so you guys can see it later. Okay, I'll send the video.
Sir, Shahid is sleeping.
Imran, I did not see your hand raised, so I'm not going to listen to that. I'm sorry. Second thing is okay, let's just say कितना reactions बोला था मैंने आज, कितना reaction पढ़ रहा है? Who can answer? Starting में मैंने okay, Praveen is showing me 4 as answer. We are learning 4. We finished 1. We learned combination reaction. Second is decomposition reaction. What is the meaning of decomposition? Decomposition word का meaning किसको पता है? Who knows the meaning of decomposition? DECO.
Dehydrate होना.
I would like you to raise your hand and then I will give chance for anyone who's raising hand. Okay, Amit, tell me. You have raised your hand.
Sir,
Dehydrate होना.
Amit, yes, tell me one more time. I did not hear it properly. एक और बार बोलो.
Dehydrate होना.
है ना? Dehydrate बोला है आपने. Decompose मतलब वो अलग अलग pieces होना. If I take a this is a piece of paper. what happened? एक चीज को मैंने अलग अलग pieces बनाया, right? That is what you need to understand about decomposition. Shahid, if you are sleeping, please wake up. It just feels like you're sleeping. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. So that is what you mean by decomposition, and that is the reaction also. Chemical reaction in which two or more products are formed from a single reactant. एक reactant से दो और उसके ऊपर products आ रहा है. Okay, so in last example what happened was दो और more reactant से एक product हुआ. अभी एक reactant से two or more products are coming. One example that is given in your textbook is, someone is unmuted. Can you?
Imran.
It is muted.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So one example that we have in your textbook is, we are taking some sugar in a dish and we are heating it. What will we see? When we heat sugar, we get carbon and water. Okay. Imran, don't come off mute. Okay. When we heat sugar, we get carbon and hydrogen. So एक reactant से two or more products, दो products मिला, carbon और hydrogen मिला, carbon और water मिला. So this is the example for decomposition reaction. You have second example. Again, I am not going to show the I'm not going to show क्या बोलूं, I will not show the this thing of it, reaction of it, because my computer will be slow, but I will send the video. What you are doing is calcium carbonate लेता है. Okay, calcium carbonate is taken. Then we are heating the powdered calcium carbonate. So calcium carbonate is actually white powder. ये एक white powder जैसा है, उसको heat करता है. And what will happen is CaO and CO2 will be formed. CaO is calcium oxide, CO2 is carbon dioxide. Again, two products are formed from one reactant. Another thing is H2O2. H2O2 is called hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide बोला है. Hydrogen peroxide एक liquid है, वो decompose हुआ water और oxygen से. एक reactant से दो product. So that is decomposition reaction. I will repeat it one more time. There will be one reactant which will decompose into two or more. Sugar solution sugar is decomposing to carbon and water, or calcium carbonate decomposing to calcium oxide or carbon dioxide. ऐसा. There are three examples in a textbook. I have shown it. उसका video में भेज देगा. This is decomposition reaction. So if I ask you what is the difference between decomposition reaction and combination reaction, difference इतना ही है. Combination reaction में दो reactant से एक product मिलता है. Decomposition में एक reactant से दो product मिलता है. Is that clear? If this point is clear, give me a thumbs up. ये चीज clear है तो. Yeah, this I believe is very straightforward stuff. सिर्फ उसका reaction देखने में के लिए अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन वो अभी कैसे देखूं? Let me see. Then is okay. There is one more example. When we pass current, electrical energy, when we pass current through water, it converts into hydrogen and oxygen. This is another example for decomposition reaction. Best way to look at it, आपका left side में सिर्फ एक चीज है तो और right hand side में more than one है तो this will be decomposition. Next is called displacement reaction. Now this is something that we have already seen. How many of you remember seeing this reaction in the first class that I took? Carbons CuSO4 plus Zn gives ZnSO4 plus Cu. This is something that we had seen. Remember this reaction?
One of the greatest joys of inorganic chemistry are the beautiful sights you. For this experiment, we prepared 50 milliliters of 0.1 molar copper sulfate and a strip of zinc metal. As you can see, two solutions of copper sulfate were made, one as the control, the other as the experimental, to observe any differences to the solutions after zinc was added.
If you remember that reaction, there was a blue color copper sulfate solution. उसके अंदर हम एक zinc metal डाल दिया. कुछ देर बाद वो zinc metal black हुआ. Do you remember seeing that in the first lecture that I took? पहला lecture में I did show that video. So that is an example for displacement reaction. Now you will be asking, क्या है तो displacement? If you can look into this reaction very closely, what you can see, एक कॉपर सल्फेट एक चीज है, इसमें कॉपर को डिस्प्लेस करते, इसको मूव करके इधर आया, राइट? इफ यू लुक केयरफुली, व्हाट हैपेंड हियर वाज, ये कॉपर ऊपर गया एंड जिंक केम हियर. This kind of reactions are called displacement reaction. Reaction in which place of the ion of less reactive. So thing is, copper or zinc में copper is less reactive. Okay, copper is less reactive to zinc. So copper is replaced by something which is more reactant. This is called displacement reaction. Copper less reactant है, zinc ज़्यादा reactant है. Reactant मतलब बहुत जल्दी से react हो जाता है. Copper और zinc देखते समय zinc जल्दी से react हो जाता है compared to copper. तो copper जाता है और उसके स्थान पे Zn आता है. This is called displacement reaction. Okay, I can see two people have raised their hands. Amit, yeah, tell me. You have raised your hand. No. Amit, not speaking. Ayan, you have also raised your hand.
सर अनम्यूट है किसी का वो.
Okay.
स्पीकर.
Thank you. So displacement reaction is simple. There will be two metals, and what will happen here is one metal will be replaced by another. Why does it get replaced? Because this is less reactive. This metal is less reactive compared to the other one. So my question, what I am going to ask you to do here is, in your notebook, just write what will be the products here. Products कैसा आ जाएगा in these two examples. You can write it. I am going to give you 2 minutes to write the products for this question. Complete the following reaction and give names. नाम मत दे दो, अभी आप लोग इसका reaction कैसा होगा वो लिखो. And once you are finished writing, give me a thumbs up so I can ask you.
Sir, what is Fe?
Fe is iron. Fe is iron. You have learned this in your last chapter. I will write one answer for you to make it easier. One answer will be FeSO4 plus copper. This is one example. Jaha copper, which is less reactive, is replaced by iron. Now, who can tell me this PB? Matlab PB is actually. Who can tell me what is PB? Who knows? 2 participants have raised. Yes, Ayan, tell me what is PB.
अरे सर मिस्टेक से वो कब से.
Shafiqur, who's the other one who raised his hand? I can't see. Does anyone know what is PB? PB का actual नाम क्या है? Okay, I can't hear you.
Lead.
Yes,
Sir, can I say?
Prachi, tell me. Sachin, had you raised your hand?
Sir, मेरा network issue है.
Yeah. Shafiqur, don't answer. Your network is having some.
Lead. LED lead.
Shafiqur, understood. Lead. Huh. Okay. Answer is lead. Okay. PB is lead. PB is lead. How many of you were able to finish the answer? This is lead.
LED LED.
Yes. Who would want to? If you have finished writing this answer, you can raise your hand. I will give you a chance to say the answer. I can see Ayan's hands up. I can see. 1 minute. I can see Saloni's, Sachin's, Yashant's. Okay, both their hands are up. Let's see. I will call one by one. Ayan, I think you've gotten a lot of chance, so I'm going to give Saloni the chance. After
Sir, no, I
after
didn't
that,
get.
Yashant's. Okay. Saloni, can you tell me what is the answer here? PB. PB. I cannot hear your voice, Saloni. Yashant, can you complete it for me? PB.
PDSO4 plus
PbSO4 plus
CU.
plus Cu. Okay.
CU.
Cu. Correct. That answer is correct, and I hope Saloni you are saying that the same thing. And here it would be iron sulfate. Iron FeSO4 plus Cu. These are the two answers. Okay. I hope you understood how to write this. So this is a question that will definitely come in your board exam. जहां आपको पूछेगा displacement reaction का either they will give you a reaction and ask you क्या type का reaction है वो, or they will ask you ऐसा एक reaction देगा और बोलेगा complete the reaction. So this is I would say a 60% chance है ये question exam में आ जाना. So I hope all of you understood this. If can you give me a thumbs up if is there any doubt in this part? Like कैसा लिखना है? नहीं है ना? Simple. I think these parts will be very easy for you. What I also felt when I made this thing. Okay.
Albert sir.
Yes, Ayan.
You will send homework.
I will send homework. Next is double displacement. Fourth type, double displacement reaction. Now, in this reaction in which the ions in the reactants are exchanged to form precipitate are called displacement double. So this is something that you have to by heart. I will show you an example for double displacement. Okay, that would help you understand it better. I want everyone to look closely into the example that I'm going to show. I hope this video works. Okay. They have taken potassium chromate and copper sulfate solution. Potassium chromate is K2CrO4. Copper sulfate is CpSO4. Yellow color and blue color. So what do you see? After putting chromate, color change और एक solid हुआ, वो solid नीचे आ गया, correct? When it kept for some time. So this is what happened. Potassium chromate plus copper sulfate में क्या चेंज हुआ? पोटेशियम सल्फेट हुआ और कॉपर क्रोमेट हुआ। ये रिएक्शन देखते समय आपको पता चलेगा क्या हुआ है। इन चीजों का आई वुड से, I don't know if it's a correct example, but they swapped their partners. पोटेशियम का पार्टनर था क्रोमेट, कॉपर का पार्टनर था सल्फेट। इन दोनों इसका पार्टनर्स को चेंज किया। पोटेशियम ने सल्फेट के साथ पार्टनर किया, कॉपर ने क्रोमेट के साथ पार्टनर किया। दिस इज कॉल्ड डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट। इन डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन सिर्फ एक कॉपर सल्फेट ने सिर्फ कॉपर था। अभी there is a displacement in two sides. I hope this is clear. Let's see the whole video and I think that will be more clear now. You can see the formula here. K2CrO4 plus CuSO4 gives A2SO4 plus CuCrO4. Reaction ऐसा लिखता है, but what I would ask you to look closely is ये सारे names देख के डरो मत, इतना साइड देखो। What happened? ये K2SO4 के साथ के गया और कॉपर CrO4 के साथ गया। This is called double displacement reaction. So in total we learned 4 things. One is combination reaction, 2 or more reactants, 1 product. Second is decomposition reaction, 1 reactant, 2 or more products. Third is displacement reaction. More reactive metal will displace a less reactive metal. वो कैसा आता है? What will happen is there will be a exchange, there will be a displacement. एक को replace करके another will come. Fourth one is double displacement. उधर replacement नहीं, exchange होता है. This is a basic understanding of 4 types of reaction. What I will be doing next is I will be sending the PPT and I will be sending you, I'll be telling you, I'll be giving the videos of the link of the videos. ये reactions का video link भेज देगा. At this point, if you have any doubts, you can raise your hand and I will take it, or you can put it in the chat box if you have doubts at this point. I will on the chat, so you can put it in the chat box if you have doubts now. No, yes, nothing. So, okay, time is 8:13. I will say something. I will start with something. उसका बाकी आपको Manish, I am going to remove you from the call for what you just said in the chat box. Okay, I will talk to you later. Thank you. Guys, if I am opening the chat box, if that is for you to talk whatever, I am also telling you that it is recording. So all this just goes into the YouTube also. That's the first part. Second part, I am not here to see you call anyone names. So if I see that, I will remove you from the call. Second thing, something new that I'm going to teach you is exogenetic processes and endogenetic processes. Does anyone know what does this word mean? Exogenetic and endogenetic. If anyone knows.
मेरी ज्योग्राफी में था ये वर्ड.
हाँ, ज्योग्राफी में भी था. एक्सो का मीनिंग क्या है? शफिकुर, I would say you don't answer because
बाहर जाना.
हाँ, बाहर जाना. Okay? एक्सो मतलब बाहर जाना. एंडो मतलब ज्योग्राफी में था. I think I was the same person who taught you. एंडो मतलब, एक्सो मतलब बाहर जाना, एंडो मतलब inside.
अंदर आना.
इंटरनल.
Internal.
अंदर
Now,
आना.
exogenetic processes are processes in which heat is given out. Heat बाहर देता है, उसको बोलते हैं exogenetic processes. Endogenic processes are in which heat is taken. I will repeat it one more time. Endogenic heat is taken, exogenic heat is given. So second question, what are the two type of processes that we have learned? दो type. First lecture में start किया था, दो processes. You can raise your hand. Rohit, you have raised your hand. Tell me.
सर एक्सोथर्मिक और एंडोथर्मिक है, एक्सोजेनेटिक नहीं है.
Oh, sorry. Genetic. Did I say genetic?
यस सर.
Okay, that is mistake from my side. Okay, I'm very sorry, guys. Okay, that was me saying from last year's memory. It's exothermic. Sorry. Thank you, Rohit.
एक्सोथर्मिक
It's exothermic. Okay, sorry. I was somehow caught up in last year's geography. It is exothermic and endothermic. Okay, my mistake. Exothermic, endothermic, and उधर भी उसका recent बोला है. Thermic मतलब क्या? Thermic means heat. Thermal means heat. So exothermic and endothermic. My mistake. First of all, corrected. I hope no one remembers this. आपका मन में रखो. Thermic है. No, remember in the sense मैं गलती हुआ है वो remember करो. ऐसा remember करो. That is endothermic is taking heat inside. Ion, don't come off mute. And exothermic matlab give heat out. Okay. Now there is physical process and chemical process. दोनों होता है, right? And in दोनों में heat आ जाता है और लेता है. Suppose if you are heating milk, that is a physical process. Milk heat करना physical process है. Milk heat करते समय it is an endothermic process or exothermic process. Heating milk is an endothermic or an exothermic process. Which of this is? Yes, I am. Tell me. Endothermic. Correct? So that is a physical process. So in chemical processes हमने सीखा है heat लेता reactions भी है, heat देता reactions भी है. So accordingly we can classify things into endothermic and exothermic. So I will be sending the notes for this. Now if you read on this you will be able to understand. I'm not going to explain a lot इसके ऊपर क्योंकि ये बहुत simple चीज है and I don't think we need to take an entire lecture for it. So I will be sending the video of this. लेकिन मैंने अभी इसका introduction बोला है and you rest of this thing will be you will be able to understand. So